Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Keyboard Mate and granting the keyboard and accessibility permissions. This lets the app intercept keys reliably. Next, create a new profile. Pick language, layout, and a basic shortcut set so you have a working baseline. Once done, import any existing key maps or load the default template to prevent conflicts with system keys. Make sure to test typing in a simple text field immediately. That confirms permissions and provides a safe place to iterate. Now you construct key maps tailored to workflows. Create layers per app or task and assign triggers using modifiers like Control, Alt, or CMD. This prevents accidental activations. Record macros for repetitive sequences, fine-tune delays, and set repeat behavior so loops don't run wild. You can also map Unicode characters, emojis, and text snippets. Preview each binding in the app's live test area. Once satisfied, save and enable the layer. This isolates changes and keeps your default typing intact. To finish, enable your profile to run at startup and export a backup to cloud or local storage. This secures your work. Audit for conflicts with the built-in checker and remap any overlapping keys to avoid unexpected behavior. If something goes wrong, app not responding, keys ignored, restart the Keyboard Mate service, reconfirm operating system permissions, and, if necessary, reset the profile to the default template. One key tip: use the live test field after each fix to verify the solution immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.